Yes, welcome everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to paint fist with adding hair. So here, first of all, do 3-3. As you can see what I'm doing, what we are doing here. We do 3-3, but use ruby because I'm using ruby. Ruby is good for the hair. So hair will look nice and simple, not packed but neat, protects hair. This method is really good. So when you're going, so we first do 3-3, then we lock, we put a braid, that is a ruby. So when you see that the 3-3 is actual match, you reduce such that you can twist it, comes out nicely, as you can see. So when you're twisting, spring twist, make sure you pass down. As you can see what I'm doing. And twist, spring twist comes out nicely. This is spring twist, not twist. So these ones, they were actually very small, so we had to add them together such that we make them to be one. And this hair protects from your hair from breaking. Is spring twist, not packed but box, medium and neat, as you can see there.